How to redeem Fashion Nova gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about redeeming and using the Fashion Nova gift card online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any of the web browser on your mobile device or your computer, and then simply go ahead and type in www.fashionnova.com in the search bar, and it will take you to the official website of Fashion Nova. Here on this page, you have to shop any of the items first. Let's go to the section of jeans. Let's select the wide leg jeans. And after you've selected any of the items you would like to purchase, simply go ahead and pick up your size. And then after, click on Add to Bag. Now click on Proceed to Checkout. On the left-hand side, fill out the necessary account details such as your email, your delivery location, your delivery method, your payment method, and everything that is necessary to be filled. And on the right hand side of the screen, locate the area of discount code or the gift card. And on this box, simply go ahead and type in your discount code or the gift card. And simply click on Apply button that is highlighted in black color. And if your gift card offers a discount or reward, you will receive it instantly. And this is how you can easily redeem a Fashion Nova gift card online. We hope you found this guide helpful and informative. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.